Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll error when you try to install application, software, or even game. So the ISDone.the dynamic like library and also the unarc dynamic like library error in Windows 11 or Windows 10 mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Because of if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. In order to fix it, you can try the first method. You can try to press Windows and R buttons, and here you can try to type ISDone.cpl. Click OK. Now this is the system properties. You can click advanced, click settings, and again click advanced and click change on virtual memory option. You can untick automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and you can tick custom size. Here, in order to fill initial size and maximum size, you have to learn it based on your RAM on your PC or on your laptop. For example, for most games 2.5 GB is enough. The value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note the values are in megabytes, so they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.